I finally got tired of messy paint projects and really wanted to create stunning art on any surface. Love that these 28 acrylic markers can be used on glass, ceramics, porcelain, wood, rubber, metal, fabric, stone, paper, and more. Held vertically or at an angle, the 0.7 tip is extra fine for precision work, and it also comes with 20 of these 7x6 cardstock sheets to get you going, all encased in an easy to reuse, resealable package. My first impressions, it's quite easy to hold, feels like any pen. Absolutely love that the acrylic is quick drying, it's water-based, UV resistant, blendable, and acid-free for long-term use. The paint is concealed within the canister, but you simply depress it down. You see the paint filling the pen tip, and you're ready to go. The ink comes out smoothly. The color is very vibrant, shows up great even on this black cardstock. And even though it's a water-based acrylic, I do think it's highly pigmented. It is quick drying, waterproof, it is permanent, and you can use dishwasher safe for glass or plastics and ceramics. I also love that it is kid-friendly. It does meet the ASTM and EN standards. It is long-lasting, crack-free. I feel like the application is quite smooth, no matter if I'm making lines or circles or different kind of sharp edges. It's just really holding and really acting just like a traditional marker, even though it has the rich and colors and pigmentation of the paint. So it's a unique solution, but I really find a lot of success with it, kind of no matter how I'm doodling with it, which I really appreciate. And another surprise bonus for me that I really loved, with these 20 cardstock sheets, you do have a variety of the blacks, the navies, the lavenders, grays, creams, but it also has these guides. So if you want to test the colors out on either the black background or the white background, you can kind of see the difference of the paint pigmentation on the various approaches. And I just love that I can test these, play with them before I go to my project, and I have so many color options for my creativity. So if you're looking for a solution that won't crack or fade, that's not messy, you can use it on multiple surfaces. I like that it's durable, vibrant, it has that sharp tip, works seamlessly on all things from rock to glass. Unleash your creativity with these Chalkola paint pens.